The Epson Expression Photo XP-960 wireless color photo printer is a premium all-in-one inkjet printer designed for high-quality photo printing, scanning, and copying. With its wide format capability, advanced ink system, and smart wireless features, it's an excellent choice for photographers, creatives, and home users who want professional-level results. Professional photo quality with 6-color ink system. The XP-960 uses a 6-color Claria Photo HD ink system, producing vibrant, detailed, and true-to-life images. It delivers smooth gradients, accurate skin tones, and sharp prints, making it ideal for high-quality photo printing. Wide format printing up to 11x17. This printer supports borderless printing up to 11x17 inches, A3 size, allowing users to create large photos, posters, and creative projects. It's perfect for photographers or designers who need bigger print formats. All-in-one functionality: print, scan, copy. The XP-960 is a complete multi-function device that can print, scan, and copy documents. It includes a high-resolution flatbed scanner, making it useful for both photos and everyday office tasks. Wireless and mobile printing convenience. With built-in Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi Direct, and mobile printing support, users can print directly from smartphones, tablets, or laptops, even without a router. It also supports cloud printing and apps for easy remote access. Fast photo printing performance. The printer can produce a 4 hours x 6 pause photo in as fast as 11 seconds, making it efficient for quick photo output while maintaining excellent quality. 4.3-inch touchscreen interface. A large, intuitive 4.3-inch color touchscreen allows users to easily navigate settings, preview images, and control printing without needing a computer. Creative printing features. The XP-960 supports printing on specialty media, including CDs and DVDs, and works with Epson's Creative Print app. Users can create custom cards, stationery, and print directly from social media photos. Compact, small-in-one design. Despite its wide format capability, the printer features a compact and space-saving design. It fits easily on desks while still offering powerful performance for both home and office use. High resolution and 5760 x 1440 DPI. With a maximum resolution of 5760 x 1440 DPI, the XP-960 delivers extremely sharp text and high-detail images, suitable for both documents and professional photo prints. Overall, the Epson Expression Photo XP-960 is a versatile and high-quality photo printer that combines wide format capability, excellent image quality, and smart wireless features. It's an ideal choice for photographers, designers, and home users who want stunning photo prints along with everyday printing functionality.